what's the difference between Nadex and offshore companies, and how are binary options priced?
Yeah, I mean, either one of us could take it. Well, first of all, again, I'll take the regulated bit. We're regulated. The unfortunate part with offshore companies is they're, in most every instance, they're not regulated. It really is kind of the Wild West. At Nadex, similar to if you're trading futures at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or you're trading options through the CBOE, we have to follow standards. We have to abide by certain transparency requirements. We are fiduciaries of the funds that come into the exchange and have to maintain segregation, and there are certain requirements we have with that. Those laws and those requirements don't apply to offshore providers, and that's not a good thing. So, they certainly serve up and promote certain unique selling points that seem glamorous and seem great on the surface, but once you get there, you're met with the bad in a lot of cases, which puts you in a pretty precarious position as a client, but also goes to show all the good that happens here in the States and being under that proper regulation. So Dan, I don't know if you want to speak a little bit about the contract design, because I know you've dealt with that intimately.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the question was about how are they priced? And so the binary option is a yes or no question, and the price is literally the probability of that being a yes. So if you just broke it down into the simplest terms, if somebody said, I think there's a 60% chance it's going to rain before noon, right? That's your yes or no question. It's either going to rain or it's not. So at expiration, it's yes or no. It's going to end at 0 or 100. In the case of binary options at Nadex, they're all $100 contracts. So you're just looking at that probability. Keeping it very simple, if you're an options trader, think of it as trading the delta of an option, because that's really what it is. It's just the probability. What is the probability that will be a yes or no?